Hey everyone, this is Gearhead Girl. So I'm gonna install a new passenger side mirror because I got hit from a deer. So I'm gonna change the side mirror. And this is a 2008 Infiniti G35 4-door. So I'm gonna show y'all how to change the passenger side mirror. So you usually get like a flathead or something and pop this out. I already popped it out, so you just pop it out and you just go all around the door, and then you get a flathead, and then you just pop this out. I already popped it out behind the door handle, and it's a 10mm bolt. So to take the door off, you have to just pop it out, and the bolt will make it easier to take off the door. Everything is basically clips. And then you go behind the door panel, and then all you do is you disconnect the light and the door, the one to lock the doors, and push down the window. So let me take the door panel off. So after you pop off the door lock and the window and the light, I'll just let that hang for a little bit and get a flathead and pop this out. And this is just a side speaker, and you just let it held down, and then you just do these 3 bolts. And the side mirror should come down. They're 10mm bolts, so they're three 10mm bolts, and I'll unloosen them. And then when you take the 3 bolts off, you get a flathead, and then pop this. And this is the connector to move the mirrors. And then you just wiggle this out. And then let me go get the other mirror to see if we have to take this black thing off or not. Most likely not. So it decided to rain in the middle of the process of me doing the door. And I did not know it was gonna start to rain. So you really don't take off the other side thing. So you just feed the wire through, and then you just make sure you put all the cables through. And then you just connect the wire to here, and then put the 3 bolts back on, the 3 10mm. I did not know it was gonna rain today. It said it was gonna rain until 11:30, and now it just starts raining. Then let me tighten the bolts.